this video, I'm going to show you how to add a custom crosshair in Krunker. On the right side, you will see here the customized. Click on that, and then you will see here the class load up and customize or the other. Now, in order to add crosshair here in Krunker, click this hair color or the customize anything you want. You can put it in the head. So click on the head, and then you can search item in here if you have the items available here in Krunker. You can just do random, or if you want, you can click this hair color, click this plus button, and then you will see here the marketplace of Krunker, and then you can purchase um, a crosshair in Crocker. So click on the marketplace, and then you will see here the different objects here in Crocker that you can bought or buy in here. You can go to the inventory, my sales, trading, and whatsoever, and it's up to you. And that's it. That's how to add a crosshair in Crocker. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.